Welcome to another project from Colorado Batman and Batmobile. This time it's the custom LED kit that was just installed today. I will place some links in the description so you can look these guys up for your lighting needs. They mainly specialize in Corvettes, and they also do some Camaros and a couple of other vehicles, but he mainly has kits for Corvettes. They're custom length, fitted really for these vehicles, special. So there's no, having to mess with a lot of wiring and stuff. So I have this on a 7-color fading loop right now. But with the app, you can set it up to single colors and flashing and a whole bunch of other stuff. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty awesome. So there's, I'm in the back here. So on the left-hand side here, there's those two grills. There's glow around the exhaust tips. Then on the other side, and then there are these side grills here. The grill in the hood is amazing. It's super bright because of how it's placed. And then, of course, the one in the front. So I'll be playing with it. Has all sorts of custom styles to it and whatnot. So I'll be playing with those in order to get kind of a show one. And then I think I may leave it on while I'm driving. Just white is a setting. And I may have that kind of strobing effect then of the engine. It has a little bit of a tinge of blue to it when it's white, so I may disconnect the front one and just have like these side ones going and the rear ones while I'm driving with that white, just so we don't run into another issue with the cops. So hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there. Thanks.